Alright, so hey guys. So we are at the Houston Boat Show, like I said. And,
Hi.
Yeah, we got MRT right here.
Yep.
We're currently on our way to see the super yacht. Well, not really super yacht, but it's a yacht.
It's a freaking yacht.
It's a literal yacht.
Uh-huh.
It's a literal yacht.
Hi.
But no joke, it's like literally gonna be epic.
Super. Toyota Super. Oh no, copyright.
What? Dude, it's a boat show.
Toyota.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Yeah, Toyota.
Oh, you just did copyright.
Look at that.
Dylan.
That is
Silver.
epic.
Yes.
Alright. Crap, where we?
The pontoons are inflatable.
What? No, those are metal.
Are you sure about that?
Because they're welded.
Yeah, I saw them weld. My bad. Correction. Those are stupid, bro.
I have proved him wrong once again.
And not once again. Yeah, technically.
Yeah. But this is gonna be the most epic time we've had. Because last time we didn't actually get to review the yacht because it was
there's
closed
actually
off.
Miss Geico fastest racing production boat
They
here.
They actually have
It's
a
huge.
They got the Miss Geico racing boat here. No joke.
Search that up on YouTube,
Yeah.
guys.
Search it up. I'll add the link down in the description to one of the good videos. But where is that yacht?
I don't know the yacht.
I can't see it on how big it is. It's a nice
I don't
trailer.
know how big the yacht
It's
is.
a nice trailer. Spartans.
It's Spartan.
Really, Avery?
Really? I didn't do anything. You're dreaming.
Oh my god.
Knowing how big the yacht is, it's difficult to find.
Yeah. Last time we were
Why?
here. Okay, last year when we were here, there was a giant yacht we could see from across the entire building.
This one must be smaller.
It might be smaller, but awesome.
Smaller but better.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go this way.
The H is this.
No, this is boat stuff.
That's cool.
Oh, this is boat stuff.
Dude, these are for we can drive the boats on the land.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's actually really cool. I think I see. No, I don't see this. I can't see the yacht.
You're getting close to it because I remember that.
Yeah.
Look at those surfboards.
Yo, that's pretty sweet.
Hot
Literal hot tubs. Oh, look at that. Eliminate back pain. I think we're coming up on it. Coming up on it. Where is he going? Where are you going?
I'm going somewhere.
My God, Avery.
I think I see it.
You want,
No, I don't.
Avery.
What do you want? Hi. Camera boats.
Dude, that's sick. Yeah, it's this way. Heck yeah. But no, that's not it. Look at that. 350 motors. Mercury motors. We found the yachts. I thought it was black, to be honest.
There's multiple yachts here.
Here it is.
We have to go around.
Oh, heck, we can get on. Yeah. It's a 420 outrage. Haha, 420. Yo, this is sick. It's like we gotta walk around to get to it. Let's go this way.
Yeah, I got to go. Who was that? There's the yacht coming up.
Which one is the yacht?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. God dang, Avery. Yo, here we are. Yacht. 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 That is a yacht.
Hey, that's a yacht.
I wonder if we can go on.
That is a no-joke yacht.
Yeah.
Wow, this is nice. Wow.
Oh, it just says remove shoes before boarding. You what?
Those are so comfortable.
That is literal shark fishing. Hold on. Yink. My boot came off. Yo, you want to get on?
Yeah, let's bounce.
Shoes.
Wait, no, let's bounce.
Yo, I kind of slipped getting on.
Okay, bye.
Good lord, are you going? What?
This is my area.
Are you for real? Where's the bathroom?
There's no bathroom, I don't think.
Yo. Donk.
Move your butt. I'm going out of here.
No, there's a shower here too.
Okay, shower.
That's weird.
3 seats. Oh, here's a middle seat.
The middle seat is the driver's seat.
How can you see out of this?
That's a question. How can you? Wait. Perfection. Yo, look at that, dude.
How can you see ahead of you?
That's a good question. Horn. Oh, I gotta let me squeeze out of here. Yo, this is nice. Let's go find another one. Let's go find a 4-motor. Let's get in my 4-motor one.
There's a cockpit
Dude.
shade option right here.
What?
I don't know what that does. The
Huh.
cockpit shade.
Oh,
Oh, it's that right there.
yeah.
I don't know what that does.
Yeah. But yeah, this is a pretty nice boat. Favorite next boat? Just don't put your shoes on. You don't even have to put your shoes on, Avery.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Yo, this is epic. Look at that.
Look at this.
You can legit put them together. Put 2 of these together. Look at this. This is a back seat.
Is there mirrors?
It's a legit. Look at this, Avery.
Oh my god. I think you turn the whole seat around.
Wait.
I don't know.
It's not fun.
You keep pulling, you have to pull it up.
Yeah, I don't know how you turn it around.
Still.
Yeah. But this is sick.
Okay, bye.
Look at this depth finder. Look at this depth finder. Avery. Look at this depth finder.
Bye.
Hi. Look at these. Look at the screens.
Okay, bye.
Look at this.
Dude, this is huge.
I know. I almost fell. Yo.
This is freaking nice. This is my area.
This is
I
my.
call potty.
This is they legit have. I could live here for a while actually. If I could, I would live here because they got sense. Oh, yeah. Storage here. Yoink.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. Yoink. Look at this, Avery. Look at this.
Thank you.
Look at this.
What do you want?
Look at that.
Ooh, get this. Ooh, that was close. I don't know where this table is.
Hold on.
Move your booty.
Record.
Recording.